Hey guys, PhoneArena here. You're watching a 4K video sample out of the Nokia 8 Sirocco. We have a beautiful sunset tonight. The Nokia 8 Sirocco has a 2x optical zoom camera, so I'm gonna switch to it now. And boom, that's 2x optical zoom for you. But if you want to zoom in even further, you can do so by pinching out, excuse me. And at the tap of a button, we're back to normal. Let's give the autofocusing a quick testing. Seems to be working fine. Okay, once again, that was a 4K video sample out of the Nokia 8 Sirocco.